Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore NFT marketplace listings on OpenSea using wallet, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore NFT marketplace listings on OpenSea using your wallet, first, make sure you have access to the wallet that originally listed the NFTs. Open your web browser and navigate to the OpenSea website. In the top right corner, click on the wallet icon to connect your wallet. Select your preferred wallet from the available options and follow the prompts to connect. Once your wallet is connected, click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen. From your profile, go to the listings section to view your current NFT listings. Take note of any NFT listings that are missing or need to be restored. If you find any missing items, navigate to the My Collections section. Select the collection that contains the NFTs you wish to restore. Click on the NFT you want to restore to view its details. Check if the NFT has been delisted due to expiration or cancellation. If it has been delisted, you will see an option to relist the NFT. Click on the List Item button to begin the relisting process. Set your desired price, and adjust any sales settings you prefer. Review the listing details and click Complete Listing to confirm. You may need to sign a transaction with your wallet to finalize the relisting. After confirming the transaction, your NFT should now be visible in the marketplace. Repeat these steps for any other NFTs that need to be restored in your collection. To ensure everything is accurate, refresh your profile page after relisting. Check that all your NFT listings are now visible and correctly displayed. Your NFTs are now restored and ready for potential buyers on OpenSea. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.